This Zoey Bray Cotton Yoga Burn is a 12-week progressive yoga program created by a certified personal trainer and yoga instructor to help all women achieve a toned, healthy and attractive body in the comfort of their homes. It includes videos and bonus audio files that help you to carry out a variety of sequences and poses to get the most out of yoga. Here's more about this program. How Yoga Burn works. The Yoga Burn system for women is structured around dynamic sequencing, a unique approach which enables you grow with time. The poses and sequences are designed to become more challenging as you move from one phase of the workouts to another, so you can get better results from yoga. What you get in this Yoga Burn program. Zoey has divided her yoga secrets into 3 phases, each with a series of instructional videos that are easy to follow. Here is a description of each of them. Phase 1: Foundational Flow. This phase is created to enable beginners build a strong yoga foundation, to enable them to perform every pose effectively and safely. You also be able to build a strong body-mind link, which will come in handy in controlling your muscles in the later phases of the program. Phase 2: Transitional Flow. In this phase, you will learn how to combine the poses in the first phase into specific sequences that will eliminate problems areas in your body and improve your spirits. Phase 3: Mastery Flow. In this phase, you will be shown how to combine everything you have learned in the above 2 phases to ignite your metabolism, helping you to achieve a toned body faster. Bonuses. Included with the 3 phases of instructional videos are the following bonuses. Downloadable audio version. There's an audio version of each video in every phase, which you can download and put on any music device, iPod, smartphone, etc., and listen to any time. This allows you to practice yoga freely anywhere you wish. The Tranquility Flow. These are exercise videos that are designed to help your body release negative energy and relax. They are great whenever you want to distress. The Tips and Tools. This Yoga Burn video demonstrate how to maximize every workout by doing them the right way, at the right time and with the right resources available to you. Yoga Burn DVD System by Zoey Bray Cotton. Pros. Grow as you practice. Yoga Burn DVD provides personalized instructions that accommodate women with different levels of yoga experience. The sequences become more challenging as you move from one phase to the next, ensuring that you grow as you practice. No repetitive poses like in traditional yoga classes. Cost effective. One great thing about this system is that you only need to pay a one-time fee to gain complete access to it and keep it forever. Results focused. Zoey employs dynamic sequencing in this system to help you maximize results. Each sequence and pose are selected carefully to enable you to tone your shape and muscles and get that yoga booty you have always wanted. Comfort. With this program, you can practice yoga whenever you want at the comfort of your home. 60-day full money-back guarantee. The program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try it risk-free for a whole 2 months, and if you're not satisfied, you get your full money back, no questions asked. Cons. Designed mostly for beginners. Without a doubt, this program contains lots of unique and strategic moves geared towards making women fitter and healthier. However, only those with 0 to moderate yoga experience will find Yoga Burn system useful. Conclusion. The Yoga Burn DVD set is a great program for all women who want to lose excess weight and attain a well-toned body naturally. You really have nothing to lose by trying it out, considering that the creator offers a 100% money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the results. Overall, it's highly recommended. Click the link below to get started.